Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. This afternoon we're going to take a look at our Grady-White 285 Freedom. As you can see, the boat is painted in harbor blue. Yamaha 300 outboard motors. Full drop curtain in the back. Tonneau cover in the front. Boat has a windlass. Rod holders across the back, rod holders on the side. I believe this boat also has underwater lights. Trim tabs. Has a remote engine flush. Take another look at it. Then we'll take some covers off. Go inside and take a look at our 2020 28-foot Grady-White Freedom. Thank you. As we enter the 285 Grady, you can see the walk-through transom door, which opens out. The freshwater washdown. Boat does have the fish box and the live well with a cutting board on it. Aft seating. Battery switches. We did option this boat with the shore power, which is a battery charger. There's your lounge, which is electric. Comes out a little bit further. Actually, it comes out very far. This boat also has the refrigerator option. Storage with a trash can in it. A sink here. Companion seat. Bolster style helm which flips up. This boat does have the Fusion stereo. The new Yamaha style gauge. Room for electronics. The head. Jabsco marine head. Teak and holly floor. There's rod storage forward which goes up under the seats. This boat does have a sink in the head. As we go forward, large seating area. As I said, this boat does have the windlass. There's some remote controls for the windlass up forward. Also, it does have the table option, which is stored under the helm. Enclosure. This is a look at our 2020 285 Grady-White Freedom. Thank you.